Hello Libra, for today's video, let's do a career tarot reading for you, Libra. This is for your Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, Saturn, and kung meron kang madaming Libra sa iyong chart, natal chart, this video might be for you. But before we proceed, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga bagong subscribers, followers ng ating social media accounts. Thank you guys so much for your energies, for sharing your energies sa pamamagitan ng comments and likes and shares. Thank you so much. I'm more on active sa TikTok account or sa mga TikTok accounts ko, nasa description below ng video ito. If you are interested, follow nyo ako doon and see you there. You can also check your other placements video ng iyong other placements sa account na ito. Again, this is a career reading for Libra. Tingnan natin ang energies, opportunities, guidance, and advice para sa iyong career. Libra. We got this card. The Lovers. Ooh. 8 of Cups reverse. 9 of Swords. Queen of Pentacles. Last is 4 of Cups. Habang nagsashuffle ako ng iyong card, nakaramdam ako ng calmness or pagkakalma. Maring nakakaramdam ka ng kalmado ngayon kahit na may mga nagtapos na kontrata, na partnerships, or may mga iniwan kang hindi naman responsibilidad, pero may mga iniwan kang trabaho or nagpalit ka ng trabaho, may mga iniwan kang nakasanayan mo na, mas komportable ka na, mas lumabas ka na sa comfort zone mo. Ito ang energy ng iyong career, Libra. For others of you naman, nakakaramdam ako dito na you feel more relaxed and satisfied. I heard the word satisfied. Kahit na ayun nga, may tinapos ka, may inend kang contract or work projects here, parang hindi mo siya itinuloy. Like, parang okay, yung sabi nga, gaya ng nauuso sa TikTok, yung, okay, tama na to, yung gano'n. May ganong thoughts ka kasi pina-prioritize or maring pina-prioritize mo yung mental health mo. Kasi hindi ka na nakakapag-isip or nakakakilos ng maayos because of your responsibilities. For some of you, meron kang sapat na ipon to gain your confidence, your energy sa pamamagitan ng pagpapahinga. And for your advice and guidance naman, Libra, Meron pa ako nakikita sa current energy mo, Libra, na ayun, may mga offers sa'yo, may mga ideas naman na pinipresent, pero hindi mo muna sila ina-entertain or pinapansin. Guidance and opportunities for Libra sa career. Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Strength, Knight of Wands, and Queen of Wands. Okay. Ang energies and opportunities, guidance na presented for you here, Libra, ang isang mabagal ito na energy. Ang nakikita ko dito, kailangan mong mas mag-focus sa intuition mo, sa sinasabi ng katawan mo, ng utak mo patungkol sa iyong career. And huwag makampante sa kung ano mang meron ka. If you want to grow and expand, listen to your body, to your throat, I heard, and be courageous when it comes to taking actions towards this one. And huwag kang magpadala sa impulse mo. Pag-isipan mong mabuti, take actions when it comes to taking actions sa ganitong decision. For some of you here, you have to really find the courage para mas ma-execute mo ang planong ito. And the guidance for you here is there is progress kahit na mabagal. Don't forget about that one. And your pentacles or yung kaperahan mo, kasi ang pentacles po sa tarot is all about earthy things, your money, your wealth. Umuusbong siya pero unti-unti. And for some of you here, you have to find, ayun nga, yung tapang mo para magkaroon ka pa ng maayos at expansive na career. And for your advice naman, Libra's career advice. Five of Swords, Page of Cups, the Fool, the Magician, Two of Cups, and King of Swords. Oh. Ayun. Ang nakikita kong advice for you here, if you been through a situation na skeptical ka and nagtiwala ka pero trinaydor ka, pinagpalit yung ideas mo or mas naniwala dun sa iba, meron ako nakikita dito that you will find that creative ideas again but better. And for some of you here, you need to find your courage to take the leap of faith when it comes to your ideas, to your bright ideas that can lead you to a better place. You have all the tools that you need. You have to use them. And again, find the courage to take the leap of faith. Kunwari, gusto mo mag-abroad, gusto mo mag-cruise ship, gusto mong mag-apply bilang sa broadcasting or something related sa communication and technology. Mag-explore ka about that. Andyan naman na yung tools for you eh. It's just that you have to explore and be open sa mga partnerships. Be open sa mga help, sa mga ideas ng iba, and have the clarity aside from strength and bravery to speak, to have your own voice. Alam mo yung ganon? And you will just feel freedom if you have this courage, if you are ready to speak what's in your head, what's in your heart about your whole career. And this is your reading, Libra. I hope nakatulong sa'yo. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like for another video update. Thank you!